Hi, let's create. Display 3D on Canva. Let's go to the 3D menu and then there's a lot of 3D objects and let's search what we want. I want to search tiger, and you can search by your favorite objects that you want to put on a similar canvas. I want to choose tiger structure, then rotate the object to adjust the position, and I want to add other image like grass. Maybe click spring back additions, and then let's try spring grass. Scale it and move, and then maybe you want to add more object spring flower. Make it here. Let's click publish and then set thumbnail. Click capture and save thumbnail. Give a name for your project. Tiger. Describe tiger is category animals. Subject just general. Class just general, and fill more data and then just storytelling. Click next and then you can choose all. This method to view the project and then click next. You can click publish today. Now we can share on Canva. Click Canva. We can see there's link. Copy the link and you can go to your Canva. Open your Canva and then you can click right and click paste. Wait for a minute. Your project is loading. After that, we can see your project on Canva and make it bigger, full screen, and prisoner your project on Canva, your 3D project or R. Let's give it a try.